finalise the calculation of Malcolm's taxable income and tax payable after considering his employment termination payment, we need to look at the annual leave payment and superannuation benefit paid. Annual leave payments are fully assessable at the taxpayer's marginal rate, subject to two exceptions. One, where the payment relates to employment before the 18th of August 1993, or two, where the payment was made as part of a genuine redundancy, early retirement scheme, invalidity segment of an ETP or superannuation benefit. Where either of the exceptions apply, the maximum rate of tax is 30% plus the Medicare levy. In Malcolm's case, the payment relates to post 18th of August 1983 and was paid as part of his normal retirement, so not an early retirement or redundancy. Therefore, the annual leave payment will be included in his assessable income and taxed at his marginal rate. The taxable component of the superannuation benefit received by Malcolm may consist of two elements. One, an element taxed in the fund, and two, an element untaxed in the fund. Generally, superannuation benefits will consist of an element taxed in the fund. The tax treatment of superannuation member benefits paid from complying superannuation plans is set out in the ITAA 1997 Division 301. The tax treatment depends on the age of the recipient, whether the benefit is a superannuation lump sum or income stream, or whether the taxable component contains an element taxed in the fund or an element untaxed in the fund. As Malcolm is aged 67 years, and it is most likely that the payment was from an element taxed in the fund, given that it was a complying superannuation fund, regardless of whether it was a lump sum or an income stream, the entire amount will be tax-free. You need to make sure you're able to determine how certain income payments received by an individual will be assessed based on their particular tax rules that apply. This will involve breaking down income received into specific types of income and working your way through and assessing each type separately.